Good morning, grade 4. Today we will do a new unit 5.4 from unit 5. So it is the extended work of your work which you have done previously about circuits. If you do the recap of that lesson, we made a small circuit, but now this time we will make a big circuit with more components. For that, you have to open your page 78 and 79 of the book, your class book. And here you will make a circuit with two batteries. So now why we are using two batteries? We are using two batteries to give more power. What does it mean? When we use one cell, it gives us a power of lighting up one bulb. You can see in your previous lesson here that we have just one battery and we got one bulb, lighten up the bulb with one battery. But here we will use two batteries together. We will join them with the tape, with the elastic band or tape, both things. And then we will join three bulbs to make a big circuit. And when you add three bulbs, it means that you are adding the components in the circuit. So just you read it, and which you made the previously circuit, add in that three more bulbs. So what you will see now, if you just remove the bulb with two batteries, you can just put 2 or 3 bulbs. But if you want to put more, 5 or 6 bulbs, you will see. Just do the experiment and share your views, what you are getting. With two battery cells, you can on two small, very light bulbs. But when you add more bulbs, this will not give light to all bulbs because the bulb takes the power from battery. If you have two batteries, you can put 2 bulbs. If you have 3 batteries, you can put 3 bulbs. If you have 4 bulbs, you can add 4 batteries. Here are the questions for that. It's the same, you can say the extended work. The bulbs shine less brightly when you add more bulbs to the circuit. Of course. It is like that. So the questions are: number 1, did the bulb shine more brightly or less brightly when you removed one bulb from the circuit? Why do you think this will happen? So when you do it, you can say it. For example, you can see that when the ordinary remote control works with 2 cells, with 2 batteries, when you remove one battery, it will not work. Because the remote control, it needs power of 2 batteries. So you have to do these question answers on the book, and then the workbook pages. One page of your workbook. Page number is 46, 5.4, circuits with more components. Very easy questions. Write down the 5 components in the circuit. Components means the part. How many parts here in the circuit? Like batteries, bulbs, holder, wires, switch. All these things are the components. Number 2 question. What must you do to the current? 2 question is, what must you do to the circuit before the bulb will light up? You have to make the complete circuit. You have to complete the circuit. You add another bulb to this circuit. What happened to the bulbs? Explain your answer. So what happened to the bulb? Does it give you light or not? You have to write down this. Complete your work and then send it to me here on the WhatsApp. After that, I'll share some of the videos from YouTube just to see and you get the knowledge more about the circuit and with its more components.